Hello guys, the Tony K here, and today I'm just going to be doing a Attax 2013-14 pack opening, and today I'm going to be opening 4 packs of Attax 2013-14. So I got a Hazard pack, a Van Persie pack, a Wilshere pack, and another Hazard pack. So let's get started with this pack opening. So first pack, which is a Hazard pack. Okay, so we got double foil. I'll just turn that over. So first card, Ryan Giggs, Zabaleta, Simon Mignolet, McShane, Joel, Distin, Grandina, Oscar, nice card there. Oh, nice. Ryan Shawcross, man of the match. And Tim Howard, star player, who's a trade. So if you need him, please let me know. Now on to the next pack. Okay. I think it's just a foil. Yes, it is. And we got Soldado, star signing. Nice card there. And then the base we got Fonte. I don't know how you pronounce that. Colback, Taylor, Defoe, Pop Off. I think it's pronounced, not sure. Rat, Walcott, and Westwood. Next pack. I think it's double foil. Yes, it is. Let me just turn this over. Okay, so we got Carroll, Clark, Watongan, Routledge, Roberg, Distin again, so he's now a trade. Kabul, Joko. Oh, nice. Shingi Kagawa, man of the match. Very nice card there. And Koren, star player, who is another trade. So please get me if you need him. Next pack is just a foil, and it is nice. Wilfried Boney, star signing. So good card there that I need. And we got Marshall, Ramirez, Gavani, Martinez, Hughes, Aluko, Sterling, Clichy, and Ashley Young. So very decent pack opening there. We got these cards here, and 2-man matches, which makes the odds right. So really decent pack opening there. I'll be putting all these cards into my binder. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and goodbye.